What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. For you to Market Rise, investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe as well. So let me give you my top medical stocks for the week. So let's jump into it. First is ticker sign BLPH. This week they touched $7.70. They ended the week at $7.33, and then after hours went down 3 cents to end at $7.30. Now, if you look at them, we can see that they are bullish at the time of this video, denoted by the moving average 10 line, which is this red line, being above moving average 50 and 100, which is purple and yellow line. We can see VWAP is also pretty high as well, so VWAP is above the moving average 10, which to me denotes they still have some bullish uptrend left in them. So going to background information on them, which is going to find out a catalyst on how that they will move for next week. So this is one of the reasons why I have them on my watch list for this week. And this came out the first, so it's not brand new news, but I still think it's a catalyst for them moving. So they announced their first patient enrolled, in the phase 3 rebuilt study. Evaluating INO Pulse, which is their new therapeutic for fibrotic interstitial lung disease. So basically, lung disease, or FILD for short. So they're studying patients with lung disease, and they're doing a phase 3 trial, which they're starting to begin. So basically, for drugs or for therapeutics, anything in the medical field, it goes phase 1, phase 2, then phase 3. Phase 3 is the last one. Once they give data on that, then they usually go to an NDA, and then they have to a file for approval. So they're pretty far along in the process, and these phases also come with large costs associated with them. So the fact that they got to phase 3 with all this data is pretty good, in my opinion, for the company as a whole. And going to be looking at them for continuous movement as more updates come in on this phase 3. Next, we have Takeda Pharma, which is ticker sign TAK. They touched $19.10 this week. And then overall bullish, denoted by the moving average 10 being above moving average 50 and 100, which is red line. So overall good metrics for them. They ended the week at $18.88. After hours, they went up to $19.16, so 28 cents after hours, which to me is a fantastic metric, especially considering that they touched $19.10, which was their highest price for this week. So that being said, I'm going to be looking for them for an early morning mover next week, especially considering the fact that they went above where the high was for this week. Now, going to background information or catalyst from them, U.S. Food and Drug Administration accepts the NDA, which is what I was talking about in the last one, which is a new drug application for review, and grants priority review for Takeda's TAK 721. So this is a treatment for, cannot pronounce that at all, but there's a treatment that they have, which seems to be for chronic inflammatory disease. So, I'm not in the medical field by any means, which you can definitely see. And I'm terrible at pronouncing a lot of these pharmaceuticals out here. But I do know that getting an NDA in review by the FDA is a really good thing for a company in the medical field. So I think it's going to be a good catalyst for them for their continuous growth. If we see right here, this was released the 15th. If they do get their NDA approved by the FDA, which we know the FDA is very busy at the current moment reviewing, Moderna's vaccine. They were busy last week reviewing Pfizer's vaccine. So we do know they have a lot on their plate at the current moment, but if they get accepted, this NDA accepted, then I think the stock's going to shoot up even further than where it's currently at. So I'm definitely going to keep them on radar for this potential acceptance of or approval from this NDA from Takeda's. Lastly, we got ticker sign FBIO for Fortress Biotech. They are on a bullish uptrend as well, so they ended the week at $3.30. After hours went up 7 more cents to end at $3.37. They did touch $3.43 this week, but overall ended on a positive note. So I think, it's hopes that they can get back to this $3.43. I think it's a realistic measure. They are bullish, noted by the moving average 10 line being above moving average 50 and 100 line. And we see that they have gone up steadily since about when they crossed over to be bullish was about the 14th. So it's been about a 4 to 5 day run of bullish movement from them, and I think it may continue. Background information on them. Avenue Therapeutics announces publication of real-world data on non-medical use of tramadol in ASI-MV network. So I think that the company overall, is doing pretty good things. This is data from something that they've released, but basically being, reviewed. I think the company as a whole, this is their website. You can go check out more information on them. But I think the company as a whole definitely has good movement, and people are definitely looking at the things that they do. So I have them on my list for a catalyst for movement, just based on all the things that the company is doing. You all can go read that article and read more articles on that page to see what's going on with the company. So I'll be looking at them for early morning mover. So the top 3 are BLPH, TAK, and FBIO. Also, make sure you go check out Sus Clothing Company. This is my clothing company. Definitely have shirts, hoodies, socks, things of that nature, where you can go grab some and support the channel. So definitely thank you to everybody who watches the videos. I hope they're helping. That's the whole point. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.